Hi guys, it's me Dinithi. This is the 19th video of the series of designing an e-commerce web application. In this video, I'm going to take you guys through the basic product search process. So here's our homepage. First, let's search for something like Samsung and search, or we can search for Asus, search, or we can search for something using the category menu without entering any keywords. So let's search for mobile phones, cell phones and accessories, and search. So there's two pages. So this is what basic search looks like. Now let's move on to my code. So here's the search box I created for my home page. This is the input field and here's the categories. And this is the search button. Over here, I've assigned this basic search function on click, and there's a 0 inside parentheses. I'm gonna use it for pagination. Now moving on to the script. Here's basic search function. First, I got the keywords and selected category using this getElementById function. And then I created a form including these elements plus page and assigned this X value to it. Then I created a new XML HTTP request and sent my request to the server. Moving on to the basic search process.php. First, I linked my database. Then I assigned the keywords and the selected category I got using post method to variables. Over here, I created a query to select all from the product table and assigned it to this query variable. Then there's this if statement. So if the text field is an empty and you haven't selected a category, then this part will also be added to the query where they only search for the entered keywords in the title. And if the text field is empty but a category is selected, then they will search for the selected category. But if both are entered, then they will search for both, which means the entered keywords in the title of the selected category. Then comes the pagination part. So if the page we got using post method is in 0, then I assign that value to this PageNo variable, else it will be 1. Then I used this query and searched for the needed products and assign the result to this product rs variable. Then I got the number of rows of the result set, and here I assigned this results per page variable to 5 because I am displaying only 5 products per page. And over here, I divided the number of products by the results per page, which is 5, and calculated the number of pages. Then I used this function to round up the answer of this to the nearest integer, and I assigned it to this number of pages variable. Then comes page results, which is PageNo minus 1 multiplied by the results per page, which is 5. And then I added this part to our query. Over here, I am adding a limit of 5 and the value of page results is the offset. I explained what an offset is in one of my previous videos. I guess it was the 16th one. So I'm not gonna explain it again. So I assigned the results of the search to this selected rs variable. Then I got the number of rows and assigned it to this selected num variable. Then I used this for loop to fetch each row one by one and display the product using this card. So this is my response text. Moving back to the basic search function. Here I assigned a response text to this t variable. And I'm using this inner HTML property to add this whole thing to our HTML content. so that it will be displayed. So basic search result. So here's where basic search result is. So the results will be displayed instead of the carousel and the products. So yep, that's it for this video. Today we went through the basic search process. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you all again. Goodbye.